Hi, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Schaefer. For the next part in geometry, we are going to talk about pyramids. A geometric shape that has one base that can be any polygon. Polygon meaning shape. All the other faces are triangles arising from each side of the base. The triangular faces share a common vertex. This is known as a pyramid. Let's take apart the definition. A pyramid has one base that can be any polygon. So again, polygon is any shape, and a base is the surface at the top or bottom, or face that's top or bottom. All other faces are triangles arising from each side of the base. So the base is some shape, whether it is a triangle or a square or a pentagon per se, but all of the edges or the sides come up to form a triangular shape. Now those triangular faces all come to one common vertex or one corner. Let's take a look at some pyramids. I believe most of you are familiar with what a pyramid is, but remember that a pyramid can have different polygon or shapes as their base or bottom. In this pyramid, it's known as a square pyramid because the base of this pyramid is the shape of a square. Let's count the vertices. So here's one where it comes to one common vertex, and notice that all the other faces are triangles. So here's one vertex, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 vertices. Next, let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Do you remember what the definition of an edge is? Remember that an edge is a line segment formed when two faces meet. Now let's count the faces. Here we have our base is 1, then in front is 2, on the side is 3, and the back is 4, and on the other side is 5. So we have 5 faces for square pyramid. Our next pyramid is a triangular pyramid. Now remember, the name it has is by the shape of its base. This base is a triangle, so it's a triangular pyramid. Let's count its vertices. Here is the one common vertex, and all the other shapes are triangular shapes that come up from the base shape to 1. So that's one vertex. Let's continue counting. 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Now let's count our edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges. Now let's count our faces. We have our base on the bottom is 1, then in front is 2, and on the sides 3 and 4. So we have 4 faces. Our last pyramid that we will cover is known as a pentagonal pyramid. It has its name because its base is in the shape of a pentagon, and all of the edges come up to one common vertex with having triangular faces. So let's count the vertices. Here I have 1, then count the others, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 vertices. Now I will count my edges. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 edges. Now I will count my faces. I'm going to start with my base at the bottom of 1, then count the others, starting in front as 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 faces. Next, I would like for you to take out your geometry page to draw the shape that's named in each box. So we are going to draw a square pyramid, a triangular pyramid, and a pentagonal pyramid. First, let's begin with a square pyramid. A square pyramid has a base of a square. So we are going to draw that square here. And they all come to one vertex. So I'm going to meet all of my corners to that one vertex. And here is my square pyramid. Next, I am going to draw the triangular pyramid. A triangular pyramid has a triangle base. So I'm going to draw a triangle. Draw a point for my vertex, and all of my corners will come up to that one common vertex. Here is my triangular pyramid. Our last shape is a pentagonal pyramid, so I'm going to draw a pentagon shape at the bottom of my box that has 5 sides. And my one common vertex that all of the corners will come up to make triangular shapes. That completes pyramid. Now notice that they're not perfect, but they have a relatively close shape to each of these pyramids. That completes our pyramid video.